Are you tired of listening to music for free? Well, today we have something exciting to share with you. Imagine getting paid to listen to your favorite songs and give your feedback. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we will show you how you can earn money just by listening to music. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So, what is Slice the Pie? It's a website that pays you to listen to music and write reviews. Yes, you heard that right. You can make money by simply listening to music. Slice the Pie was created with the purpose of helping artists and musicians get feedback on their music. But how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You sign up for the website, and then you can start listening to music and writing reviews. The more detailed and informative your review is, the more money you can earn. Slice the Pie makes money by charging artists and record labels for the feedback they receive from reviewers. This way, they can offer a service that benefits both artists and music lovers like you. So how much can you earn from Slice the Pie? It all depends on how much time and effort you put into it. On average, you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars per review. But the more you review, the more you can earn. And the best part? You get paid directly into your PayPal account. So if you're passionate about music and want to make some extra cash, then Slice the Pie is the perfect platform for you. Sign up today and start earning money by simply listening to music and writing reviews. Signing up for Slice the Pie is quick and easy. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Go to the Slice the Pie website and click on Join. Step 2. Fill out the registration form with accurate information. This includes your name, email address, and other basic details. Step 3. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Step 4. Complete your profile by providing additional information such as your interests, music preferences, and demographic details. This helps Slice the Pie match you with music that you'll enjoy listening to. Remember, it's important to provide accurate information to ensure that you receive relevant music and earn money for your reviews. Firstly, once you've signed up for Slice the Pie, you'll be able to browse for the available music tracks and videos to review. To write a review, simply click on the Write Review button and answer the questions that appear before the review page opens up. These questions help ensure that you're paying attention to the music or video and writing an accurate review. When it's time to write your review, be sure to write it thoughtfully and honestly. Consider aspects such as the melody, lyrics, and overall production quality and provide constructive feedback where necessary. Reviews that are too short or not helpful might not be accepted by Slice the Pie, so it's important to take your time and provide genuine feedback. It's also important to note that Slice the Pie values honesty, so avoid writing fake reviews to earn quick cash. This could lead to your account being suspended or even terminated. So be sure to write genuine reviews and contribute positively to the community. Overall, completing reviews on Slice the Pie is a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash. Just remember to write thoughtful reviews and answer the questions provided before getting started. So how much money can you make on Slice the Pie? Well, the more reviews you write, the more money you can earn. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about the numbers. For every review you write, you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. Of course, the exact amount varies based on the quality of your review and the type of music or video you're reviewing. But don't worry, Slice the Pie is generous with its payments, and you can quickly rack up some cash with a bit of effort. Now you may be wondering how to withdraw your hard-earned cash. Well, it's easy. First, log into your Slice the Pie account and click on the Withdraw button. Next, select your preferred payment method, which can be PayPal or bank transfer. Finally, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click the Request Withdrawal button. It's important to note that the minimum withdrawal amount is $10, so make sure you have enough funds in your account before requesting a withdrawal. Once your request is processed, you should receive your payment within a few business days depending on your chosen payment method. So there you have it. Withdrawing your earnings from Slice the Pie is a simple process that can be completed in just a few clicks. Keep writing thoughtful and honest reviews, and soon enough you'll have enough to cash out and enjoy your earnings. For more information on earning money online, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.